Welcome back to The Explainer. We usually think of technological revolutions as these loud, flashy events with breaking news alerts, right? But today, we're diving into a massive, fundamental shift in how human beings learn and grow, and it is happening right under our noses. It's subtle, sure, but it is completely reshaping human potential.
Okay, let's dive into this. There is a silent revolution underway. I absolutely love this quote from our sources because it hits the nail right on the head. This revolution isn't making front-page headlines or sparking marches in the streets. Instead, it's happening through millions of quiet, individual choices made every single day. People are literally looking at the traditional ways we've always been told to learn, and they're just walking away. But why? What is driving this silent exodus?
While people are quietly opting out all over the place, parents are pulling their kids out of traditional classrooms to teach them at home. Professionals are hiring executive coaches at unprecedented rates. Everyday folks are turning to life coaches, and this massive parallel tutoring system has practically exploded right alongside official schooling. And the research points to the exact same reason across the board. The traditional system just isn't cutting it anymore. Now, it's not about bad teachers or malicious schools. It's because the whole thing is built on what our sources call a structural lie. It's this wild idea that you can mass-produce human development. Just cram 30 people into a room, treat their minds like widgets on an assembly line, and measure them all with the exact same yardstick. People are finally saying no way and rejecting it entirely.
Section 1, The Unscalable Truth, and Benjamin Bloom.
You see, this rejection isn't just a gut feeling. There's actually hard historical data behind it. Enter educational psychologist Benjamin Bloom. His landmark study essentially confirmed what practically every parent and student has felt in their bones forever. Let's talk about what true individualized development actually means. Imagine a learning environment totally calibrated to you, just you. It's one-on-one engagement. The questions are tailored specifically for your brain. The pace of the learning responds completely to you. If you grasp a concept quickly, boom, you move on. If you need a minute, the system naturally slows down. The challenge is calibrated perfectly to exactly where you are. And the sources emphasize that this isn't just a tiny bit better than group instruction, it's in a completely different universe. It is the absolute gold standard for human growth.
98%. Just let that sink in for a second. This is known as Bloom's 2 sigma rule. What his research actually proved is that a person who gets this one-on-one, personalized development performs 2 standard deviations better than someone in a traditional group setting. Simply put, take the exact same person with the exact same innate intelligence. If they're developed individually, they will absolutely outperform 98% of the people sitting in a standard group class. 98%. We've literally known for decades that one-on-one is the best way to learn.
So, if we know this is the ultimate way to unlock human potential, why on earth hasn't it been the standard everywhere? Well, we hit a harsh reality. The idea versus the economics. On paper, the idea is absolutely flawless. Give a personal tutor to every child, a dedicated coach to every banking leader, every school principal, every mining supervisor. But in reality, we hit a massive economic brick wall. Unless you've got a royal treasury to hire human experts for every single person on Earth, the financial models completely fall apart. The human hours literally do not exist to scale this. So for generations, we've basically just settled for an inadequate, mass-produced system because no one could figure out an economically viable alternative.
Section 2. The Catalyst. What AI is actually for. And this brilliantly illustrates where everything changes. We have finally reached a catalyst moment. That massive economic barrier that's been holding back human development for centuries, it is collapsing right now. And the wrecking ball is agentic AI. For the first time in human history, giving every single person a 24/7 personal development partner is genuinely feasible. But look closely at what's on this list. We are not just talking about using AI to memorize math facts or learn coding. The sources highlight that AI partners are being used to cultivate deep, essential human capabilities. We're talking agency, accountability, moral judgment, commitment, faith, hope, and heart. These are the actual traits that determine whether someone truly thrives in life, but traditional classrooms never had the time or tools to focus on them deliberately. AI isn't here to replace the teacher or the leader. It's here to develop the actual human being behind those roles.
Section 3. The Crossroads. Extraction versus human benefit.
Now, obviously, any technology this powerful comes with some serious risks, and we are standing at a massive crossroads right now. The source material issues a very stark warning about 2 diverging paths for our future. Let's look at the danger zone first. The quote here reads, "Exploit technology for maximum extraction, replace human beings." Historically, massive capital loves to take revolutionary tech and use it to squeeze out every drop of profit. Right now, there is a heavily funded push to use AI strictly to slash payrolls, automate every interaction, and basically cut humans out of the loop entirely. If that version wins out, the text warns, we'll have taken the greatest human development tool ever invented and used it merely to make ourselves completely irrelevant. Crazy, right?
But then there's the second path. The revolution, the source argues, is actually worth fighting for. AI becomes the great equalizer. AI for humanity. Just picture this for a second. A kid in an under-resourced school getting the exact same world-class 2 Sigma individualized development as a kid from a billionaire family. Or a small business owner in rural Kenya getting the same elite, customized daily business counsel as a publicly listed CEO in New York. Or a school principal in a township getting the same leadership coaching as an executive in a glass tower. That is the true promise of AI used for human benefit. It completely levels the playing field of human potential.
Section 4. The solution: human advancement infrastructure.
Now you might be sitting there thinking, okay, sounds great, maybe in 50 years. But no, the ecosystem required to do this, the human advancement infrastructure, is built and running right now. Let's break down the mechanics of how these personal development partners actually interact with users to drive real growth. It's kind of mind-blowing. First, they are available 24/7 on your smartphone or laptop, literally a dedicated coach in your pocket. Second, they have flawless memory. They remember every single conversation you've ever had, weaving together this continuous thread of your personal growth over years. Third, they don't just spoon-feed you answers. They ask the tough, honest developmental questions that actually force you to think critically. And fourth, they hold you accountable to your own commitments. Whether you're an HR leader driving a massive culture shift or a mining supervisor managing a tough crew, the AI acts as a partner that genuinely understands your specific world from the inside out.
And this ecosystem is expanding fast. There are already over 25 of these powerful human development partners built within this framework. Out of those, 10 are fully deployed right this second. They are actively operating for millions of people who have always deserved a better, more personalized system than the assembly line education they were handed.
So, it all comes down to this fundamental choice. Will we use the most powerful tool ever created to replace human beings just to cut costs and automate our existence, or will we actively choose to use it to make humans more extraordinary? It's a choice between extraction and elevation, and it's a choice that we, collectively and individually, are making right now.
The silent revolution is already here, and it has a name. If you want to experience what a dedicated, 24/7 personal development partner can actually do for your own growth, your capabilities, and your future, you do not have to wait. You can find your partner today by heading over to www.mevisionacademy.com/agents. The tools to finally unlock that 98% performance leap are literally right here in our hands. So, the only question left is, when you finally have a system built entirely to elevate your potential, who will you choose to become?